Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history for the heavyweight championship of the world. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Object of the game. 9-ball is played with 9 object balls numbered 1 through 9 and a cue ball. On each shot, the first ball the cue ball contacts must be the lowest numbered ball on the table, but the balls need not be pocketed in order. If a player pockets any ball on a legal shot, he remains at the table for another shot and continues until he misses, fouls, or wins the game by pocketing the 9 ball. After a miss, the incoming player must shoot from the position left by the previous player, but after any foul, the incoming player may start with the cue ball anywhere on the table. Players are not required to call any shot. A match ends when one of the players has won the required number of games. The physics behind billiards, or the physics behind pool, in large part, involves collisions between billiard balls. When two billiard balls collide, the collision is nearly elastic. An elastic collision is one in which the kinetic energy of the system is conserved before and after impact. Therefore, for simplicity, one can assume that for collisions involving billiard balls, the collision is perfectly elastic.
Play! Shoot namang Nuibi, daog na! Isa, maging ang Nuibi. Shot ang Nuibi.
Bonk.
Play! Sige, kitang naong ha? Para magmahot na ako ni Beo. Hindi nakakatira, Be. Ito nakatigo ni Tapo, Be. Uy! Daog ko! Daog dito! Paano may line na? Give it so!
the winner of this Exploring Games Billiard Series, no other than the champion, BB the Magician in the making. And the winner of this Exploring Games Billiard Series, no other than the champion, BB the Magician in the making.
Comment. Natin yung edit. Play.
Okay.
Episode 3 in Exploring Game Series is playing badminton. Please continue watching Exploring Game Series and do not forget to subscribe and keep on supporting my YouTube channel.